Somebody watched our previous video that we had with Mommy, and they actually sent a message in asking about, what they should do because they started having some swelling in their legs and in their upper body. So, just from a kidney standpoint, if somebody start noticing swelling in their legs or in their arms or anything like that, what would you recommend?
Okay, if somebody sees something like that, I would recommend that you call your doctor and go and see your doctor. When you go, they will run some tests on you. They will check your kidney function, they will check your whole body, everything. If there's no kidney problem, they'll probably prescribe you furosemide and
What is the furosemide?
The furosemide actually get fluid off your body, so it will make you pee of the fluid.
Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, come on in and make yourself at home. Here we talk about everything. So she's back by very high demand. I invited Mami Ifwadakwa to come back, talk to us a little bit, and she has decided to share with us a very quick, healthy pasta dish that you can do anytime, especially during the weekday nights when, you're just coming back from work, you're tired, you just want to feed the kids. She has something for us today. So come on in and let's cook in the kitchen. Mommy, welcome back. How are you and how's the family?
Well, thank you. The family is great.
Good. So what do you have for us today?
Today I have for you guys my favorite pasta. It's very easy pasta to do. I don't like cooking. So this is something that I stole from my husband and I added my African touch to it.
Nice.
So right now I'm going to teach you how I make my very quick pasta that we take in weekends or something quick that we do whenever we are lazy to cook.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, all right. Here we go. So let's go over the ingredients, guys. Explain this to us a little bit.
Okay, so this is my pasta. We normally go for the organic one. And then I have my black pepper, parsley, and Spice Island. You can use any spice that you want. We don't use Maggi. I actually have the Maggi hidden somewhere because my husband is allergic to MSG. So I use adobo instead of the Maggi, so you can always use the Maggi. Okay? And then I have this all-pepper seasoning, meats and veggie rub. Yeah, I just sprinkle whatever that I like in there. You don't have a specific ingredient to put in there. Then I have my paprika.
Nice.
Then I add a bit of fennel seeds to it. We tend to go for the organic stuff because the man of the house, he likes organic stuff. So you can use anything. It doesn't have to be organic.
Yeah.
Okay? Then I have a spinach. And then I have this blended stuff here. This is
pepper,
onions, garlic, and ginger.
Okay.
Blend.
Okay.
Then I have some mushrooms here that I already cut.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we normally use the Costco wild Alaskan salmon. Yeah, and it makes it different.
Oh, it already comes seasoned, so that saves time.
But if you get a salmon that is not already seasoned,
then you have to season it.
Sometimes instead of the salmon, you can also use you can use shrimp.
Oh,
you can use chicken.
Okay.
If you want beef.
So
whatever.
any protein of your choice you can use.
Exactly.
And this is washed and cut the spinach.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. All right. So the spinach. Can we use any vegetable?
If you want broccoli, you can use broccoli. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ready, guys? So let's get going.
The pasta is almost done. You don't want the pasta to be too soft, okay?
Like al dente.
Yes. So
okay. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Woo. Okay.
Yeah. So okay. So we take it off now.
I'm putting myself to use.
You better. Yeah, and also to make sure that it's able to separate.
Oh,
properly.
I see.
I didn't put oil on it, but people tend to put a little oil.
Yeah.
So it separates, yeah.
Oh,
I try not to put too much oil in this because you have the heavy cream, which is already very fatty. So.
The salmon is still going.
Yes.
With all the ingredients in it. So we're just waiting for everything to cook through. and then we'll go forward.
So this is still cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, it was very watery. So right now we want it to cook and see it thicken a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to taste, you can taste it.
Yeah.
I didn't put salt in it.
Here. Oh, it's salt. Yeah.
There's salt. So remember that the salmon was seasoned. The salmon was seasoned. The heavy
It's
cream.
so good, guys. That's a very good
and
sauce.
then we use the all peppers seasoned. It all has a little bit of salt in it. So you don't want to
add
salt in
Okay.
this. Okay.
So somebody watched our previous video that we had with Mommy, and they actually sent a message in asking about, you know, what they should do, because they started having some swelling in their legs and in their upper body. So, you know, just from a kidney standpoint, if somebody start noticing swelling in their legs or in their arms or anything like that, what would you recommend?
Okay, if somebody sees something like that, I would recommend that you call your doctor and go and see your doctor. When you go, they will run some tests on you. They will check your kidney function, they will check your whole body, everything. And if that is okay, if there's no kidney problem, they'll probably prescribe you furosemide and
what is the furosemide?
The furosemide actually get fluid off your body, so it will make you pee of the fluid, you know,
the excess
exactly.
fluid.
So if the person goes in and they see that your kidneys are good, nothing is happening, they'll give you medication to help you get rid of the excess fluid accumulated on you.
Okay.
And when you take that medication, it helps you to pee more because you're already peeing, your kidneys are working, you're peeing out. So it will help you to get rid of some of the
extra fluid.
Exactly.
Okay.
And if it's kidney problem, obviously this is called the acute. So it's like they just finding out. So then the doctor will take the necessary step to get you an acute dialysis, and then things will get started. But if it's nothing happening with kidneys and all that, then you have to watch your salt intake, because taking in salt makes you want to drink more, even sugar. So if you realize when you eat a lot of fast food, you tend to drink a lot of water.
Yeah.
Do you get it? Because too much salt in the fast food that we eat outside. So salt make you. So ask them if that person takes in a lot of salt, because since there's nothing going on with this person, check if they put in a lot of salt. Sometimes people think that not cooking with salt and putting salt, sprinkling salt, it's okay. No, it's actually the most dangerous thing to do.
Oh, like uncooked salt. Like let's say when you're ready to eat and you just sprinkle salt on the food.
That's more dangerous.
Oh, than cooking with the
salt.
Oh, that's a good tip. Okay. Yeah.
So you always have to make sure that you're not abusing your salt intake, because that will make you, if especially you're a kidney patient and your kidneys are not working, you're not passing urine properly. Imagine taking in too much salt. You're gonna drink more water, and then you're not peeing, so you're gonna find your face swollen, your legs swollen, and all that. So it's only dialysis that's actually gonna
help get rid of it. Okay. So guys, we're learning. Every time Amit comes on this channel, we learn so much. So make sure you watch how much salt you're taking and how much water you're drinking. And also, it's better to cook with salt versus just, you know, getting your plate of food and sprinkling salt directly on it. It's better to cook with the salt. Obviously not too much, but it's better that way than eating straight salt from your table. And then also make sure you're not using as much oil, like she said in the beginning. She's not using any oil in this dish. It's just the cream that she's using, and it's working. It tastes so good. You can't even tell that you're missing oil. And so just little changes that we can make in our diet will go a long way in our health.
And we're gonna put in Parmesan cheese. So that's also fatty as well. So you have to. Yeah. So I'll sprinkle a bit of Parmesan cheese on it.
Yum.
Just a little. I'll put a bit
this
more.
Is good for kids. Like my kids love cheese, so anything with cheese in it is a go. And this is a healthy cheese dish, so I will definitely,
you can break that.
Yeah, suggest making this for the kids as well.
So now
Mhm.
it's almost done. So we're gonna put the spinach in
Okay.
there and sprinkle a bit of Parmesan cheese on it as well.
You don't have to use spinach.
You can use broccoli.
Yeah. Nice and colorful. And the key word is healthy.
Okay. So this is a lot. This is a lot of pasta. So I'm gonna divide it. Okay. So see how I normally cook this amount of pasta here because my daughter takes it to school as well. So I try to make a lot.
Yeah, and keep
like
it in
I
the
said
fridge.
from the beginning, I'm a lazy chef, so I try to make my life easy.
Yeah.
Done. So we're just gonna mix
everything together.
So here.
So you separated it because the pot was too small.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oops. Now.
Oh, and then another question.
Yeah.
Can we use any type of pasta, or it has to be a specific kind?
No,
like
you
the
can
style.
you can use any type of
Like
pasta.
noodles.
You can use noodles might be too mushy for you. You can use spaghetti as well.
Okay.
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 Okay, now
this is good.
let's put it here.
Oh, now we're gonna mix it all together. Okay.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, I want to taste it. I just need a spoon.
Okay, come on.
Guys, I love to eat. For our friends that don't know, food is my favorite thing. So whenever I'm around food, I become like a little kid. I'm very excited because the little taste that I had before was delicious. So I can't wait to taste everything. All right, give me a plate. I need a plate. I need to taste. I can't wait any
Okay,
longer.
let's sprinkle a little parsley on it.
Oh, okay.
This is my parsley flake.
And some cheese on top.
I'm not gonna add the cheese on top, Anas.
Oh,
because
why?
We added enough cheese. But if you want to add more cheese to your food, you can always add more cheese to your food.
Guys, she called me out.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
That's good. I want cheese. I'm sorry.
Okay.
A little bit of cheese. Nice.
Nice.
Oh, guys, look how beautiful this looks. So amazing. It's so good. The salmon and the cheese and the heavy cream makes it very rich, and then the parsley kind of brings a little bit of freshman to it. Oh. This is really good. The house smells good, and it's worth it. So, thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you, Mommy, so much for coming and sharing all your beautiful ideas with us. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.